in. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has reignited the debate, this time carrying a bag with a Justice for Bangladesh slogan. Now, after the criticism that she received earlier for holding onto a bag saying Palestine, this was the bag that she was wearing yesterday, her latest move is drawing both attention and support from some of the party MPs. So, first, it was Palestine that was written on her bag, and today Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has come in with a Justice for Bangladesh bag. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, there was a lot of criticism over her symbolism yesterday. Today, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra coming with a Justice for Bangladesh bag to the parliament.
Well, and if you remember, many of the BJP MPs has come down heavily on Priyanka Gandhi for sporting that bag, saying, it has a larger message. You're standing with the vote bank but of particular community, and you always stand for Muslims and not for anyone else. While they demanded also, response by the government on Bangladesh and minority situation there, they never sported that bag. And this is the criticism that BJP MPs had done of Ms. Priyanka Gandhi of, coming in with a political message that that does not deem politically and also, diplomatically appropriate. And this time, taking a cue from that criticism, it seems like Congress has acted upon it. And in fact, today they have sported a bag that says that, you have to stand with the Hindus and also Christians of Bangladesh. They are the minorities. And this is a message that they are also sending to the Indian government, saying that you need to pressurize and you need to put some pressure on the Bangladesh government to ensure that there are no atrocities being done on the minorities in Bangladesh, and also to ensure safe passage. They have been speaking about it. In fact, the Congress and opposition parties have been saying that, if they have visa, they should be allowed into India. And they also, attacked the BJP, the central government, on saying that they may have approved CAA, but they are not, in a position where they can bring in minorities from Bangladesh in order to protect them. It looks like a political message, also a showdown, or it looks like a political reaction on part of Congress after BJP criticized her for sporting that Palestine bag.
Absolutely. So yesterday, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was wearing Palestine prominently written on the bag. Today it is Justice for Bangladesh. Yesterday, remember when she was asked about it and when the BJP had called it a bag of appeasement, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had said this was patriarchy. She reduced it to patriarchy and said, I'm not going to listen to what I should be wearing. My colleague Amita is also joining us on the broadcast. Amita, so yesterday it was a bag for Palestine, today for Bangladesh.
Absolutely, Pratibha, it will be interesting to see how the BJP now reacts to this, because they have been calling it as a bag of appeasement there. This was the picture that came in yesterday of the bag that we have seen this time in the winter session, that the Congress party has been taking on certain unique ideas when it comes to registering their protest. And one of the tote bag protests has been, which has been grabbing all the eyeballs in the headlines there. This is the newly elected Wayanad MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra yesterday, who was seen supporting the Palestine bag, and to which she had said that she had put up appropriate answers on a social media handle and saying that
let's get a response from the BJP as well. Amita, stay with us. National spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, with us over the phone line. Shehzad, the BJP criticized Priyanka's bag yesterday as bag of appeasement. Today she's come to the parliament with a bag that says Justice for Bangladesh.
First of all, this is not tote bag, this is vote bag. Yesterday, when she has made a direct statement, which was endorsed by no less than Pakistan, and when the PPP, Priyanka Pakistan Palestine connection came out, then under pressure, mere symbolism ke liye, just for tokenism, she's saying that stand with minorities of Bangladesh. Why minorities? Why can't you say directly Hindus? Identify who's the aggressor in this case. The Congress says, no, Hindu terror, Hindus are doing Jai Shri Ram and lynching Muslims in this country. These are all Congress statements. So why your bag is silent? Who is the perpetrator? Who is the actual victim? मतलब bag में भी कैसे सोच समझ के symbolism के लिए minorities in Bangladesh. Who are these minorities? Who stood against CAA, which was meant for minorities in Bangladesh? She should have put in the bag, no? Then it would have been more apt. She should have written there that Hindus who are being assaulted, murdered, and pushed to genocide by the Islamic jihadis, we stand with those Hindus, and we are sorry that we stood against CAA. I think that bag should have contained that picture. That would have been more appropriate.
Okay, all right. But I also want to ask you, yesterday when she was asked about her bag on Palestine, she had also said, this is typical patriarchy. I'm not going to listen to people who tell me what to wear.
Nobody has asked her to wear or not wear something. Please, khamakha ka victimhood card should not be played by her. Nobody is dictating to her. She is the one who dictates to young children that they should wear hijab instead of focusing on kitab. We are only saying that aapki a bag of hypocrisy and baggage of vote bank hai. Now, if we talk about bag of hypocrisy and she makes it about herself, then she is living in some delusional world like her brother.
Okay, all right. So she's been pressurized into wearing it. Shehzad, stay with us. We have Rashid Alvi also joining us on the broadcast from the Congress Party. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Rashid Alvi. Yesterday, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said, we are not going to listen to anyone telling me what to wear. Today, the BJP says it's only because of pressure from the BJP that she is wearing a Justice for Bangladesh bag today.
Even if it is under pressure, then they should be happy. They wanted it. Now Priyanka Gandhi is carrying a bag in support of Hindu community in Bangladesh. Now Bharatiya Janata Party will support the cause of Palestine. They should support. And I am unable to understand. This is the country of 150 crores people. And you are talking, you are ruling over the country. And bag is important for you. Prices are not important. Jobs are not important. There are hundreds of issues in the country. This is a poor country. And you are fighting for a bag. How unfortunate it.
No, but that's the charge that the BJP is making, that you're taking up a cause for another country. In fact, they've also said, even today when you speak of Bangladesh, you have not said Hindus.
You know, BJP is talking about the Hindus of Bangladesh. Definitely, they are suffering. In Bangladesh, mandirs are being demolished. Hindu community is being tortured. Entire country is the Hindu community of Bangladesh. There is no problem. It is not only BJP. Every political party. But why Bharatiya Janata Party doesn't talk about the Muslim community in India? What is happening in Sambal? 5 youngsters have been killed by police. What happening in this country? Masjid.
Do we have Shehzad?
So many mosques are being demolished in this country. So many Muslims are being tortured here. This party, Bharatiya Janata Party, they should talk about the minority of this country. Why they are worried only about the minority of Bangladesh? They should be worried about Muslim community, whatever happening here. What Giriraj, Union Minister, has given so many statements.
Drawing the parallel of with what is happening in India versus what is happening in Bangladesh?
Pardon?
Are you drawing comparisons to what is happening in Bangladesh? Are you saying that that's the same that minorities are facing in the country?
There is no comparison. Here, whatever happened in India, it is worst. It has never happened here. Union Minister says, मुसलमानों की दुकानों से कुछ ना खरीदा जाए. One Chief Minister says, गर्मी निकाल दूंगा. Using bulldozer.
Okay, Mr. Rashid Alvi, in Bangladesh, there are minorities, Hindus who are being hunted and hounded only for their religion, and the violence continues unabated. And there's an interim government that is in place that is able to do nothing about it. In fact, time and again, the Congress Party has made these comparisons and it has been dismissed time and again by the government as well. I sincerely thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Let's talk about the pictures on the screen. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra yesterday, where she arrived in the parliament, and this is the bag that she was sporting. She was sporting a bag that said Palestine, so giving her support to the Palestinian cause amid its war with Israel. BJP had criticized it as a bag of appeasement. Tom Vadakkan of the BJP also on the broadcast with us. Mr. Tom Vadakkan, thank you for joining us. The Congress Party says that, look, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is not just talking about Palestine. Yesterday, BJP said, why not speak about justice for Bangladesh? And today she is wearing a similar bag. She's sporting a similar bag that speaks about justice for minorities in Bangladesh.
Well, I don't have to respond to all that bags that she wears. But I feel that as a person, member of parliament, she should speak out on causes for what she stands by carrying a handbag with Bangladesh written or Palestine written. This is all lip service. If you're seriously concerned about the massacre of Hindus, you would have opened your opening speech with something of that content.
Okay.
And on Palestine, also carrying a bag is not the kind of a thing a politician would do.
Okay.
This is a serious matter.
Okay, it's a serious matter, and this is mere symbolism by the Congress party. That's what you're saying. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Tom Vadakar.